action.
Here we go, not too tired.
Trevor.
Not too emotional, it's just bloody sunny.
Quiet on set, please.
And the climax.
All right, you ready? Here we go.
You're probably familiar with our new, fantastic...
Euromarc's welding.
Hi everyone, weather with crossed paths.
All good, take your time, loosen up.
We're in the big smoke, visiting Fruithof, New Zealand's Fruithof. Visiting New Zealand's biggest Fruithof.
I love music and riding my
musical. Riding my mountain goat.
Right. Try again.
In the meantime, Shane has some news. Oh man, this is hard. I can hardly see it.
Let's head inside to see what they have to say about quick stock. Ah, damn.
I feel like I squinted most of that.
Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather. Yeah, try again. So there you go. Super happy customers, and you got to be...
Oh, hey everyone. Well, hey everyone. We've been here hard at work at Euromarc. Oh, start again. Now we're there. In the meantime, Shane has you.
Let's see if I can take home the biscuits today while riding my mice.
Riding your mice.
Let's just go from Shane's piece.
Arkwell have been operating with quick stock to close four bloody years. G'day, Liam here visiting Euromarc. What a twat.
What happens at Euromarc?
I said that wrong.
No stress.
Checking inventory in the storeroom.
It's so funny.
Quick scan. Quick. Thank you. Quick scan. Not now, Ray.
Alright.
If only there was an elite range of welding consumables.
Yeah, that's good.
Get big and breathy.
Hi,
Alright.
my name's Trevor.
With a large team of qualified tradespeople providing engineering solutions across a wide range of industries.
Do you mean our elite range of welding consumables?
What's my line? Oh yeah.
Hold up. And action.
Go on.
Or our elite line of
Go on.
4-hour elite electro.
Man, why isn't that sticking in my head? Right.
No, that's good.
Go. To be in to win, simply order a Compete pack of a Compete.
The fun of filming yourself with your family in the beautiful South Island. So there you go. Happy customers, happy business. Lame.
Love riding past Josh on my motorbike and fishing at the same time. Let's see if I can take home the biscuits today.
Yeah, good. Okay, you just do that one.
I've just got you in visions of you riding a motorbike past Josh with a fishing rod.
Really good, guys.
We're going to visit a new quick stock customer. Not a new one.
That is incorrect. The units.
Not yet.
All right, here we go. Thanks, Natalie. So,
Pause, I haven't done my sound.
and I said snakes.
Thank you.
Jump online and order yours today.
So quick.
So easy.
Hey, one more.